The future of smartphones may be foldable, or it might be hidden in that elusive plane of augmented reality. But the present is perfectly flat and real. Taking this notion to an extreme, here comes the Lenovo Tab V7, an affordable smartphone with a frighteningly large display. We're looking at a humongous 6.9-inch IPS panel of very respectable resolution and quality. This makes for a device that's wonderful for watching movies or playing less demanding games. Pick the Lenovo Tab V7 up and you might be surprised by how light it feels. It has a slim profile, and even though it weighs nearly 200 grams, it just feels lighter than it looks. It's still an incredibly large phone that you might want to carry in a bag or something, but at least its reasonable weight makes it somewhat pocketable. The Tab V7 is completely unassuming, just a black matte plastic body and a nice silvery accent around the sides. It's a simple and predictable design, which works in its favor. Aside from the screen, the other key feature of the Lenovo V7 is its dual 4G connectivity. The phone is dual SIM, but it can also use both SIMs to transfer mobile data, giving you flexibility and control over which SIM does what at any given moment. So far so good, but the one thing that could potentially put a spoke in the Tab V7's wheels is the Snapdragon 450 processor, which isn't exactly a powerhouse. We did notice that system performance wasn't exactly seamless. There was a bit of visible lag as we scrolled through the Android Pie menus, and needless to say, opening and closing apps wasn't a breeze. However, that's not to say that the phone runs slowly, it's just not particularly fast. The low-end Snapdragon 450 chipset, however, is no longer such a problem as you get to see the price of the Tab V7, which is $250. And this is a pretty forgiving price considering what you get, which is a massive screen of very good quality in a device that doesn't look half bad. Lenovo is yet to share release date information for the Tab V7, but we'll imagine that it won't be long before the device hits the market in its target regions, which will be more or less developing markets like South America, Africa, Asia, and possibly certain parts of Europe. Thank you for watching our video hands-on with the Lenovo Tab V7. If you want to learn more about it, or just stay up to date with the latest from the Mobile World Congress 2019, check us out at PhoneArena.com.